Let's talk about the Rossi's got a new paint job.
It
Yeah,
does.
And
And
some
some
all spruced up.
some snazzy landing gear too, if you know.
Landing
Right?
gear. The interior looks a little less crufty.
well, we're with Amazon now, so.
Gotta go a little orange. A little Amazon orange in there.
If you can, and as much as you can you talk a little bit about what your character, what might be something? Tell us something about your character in season 4.
What?
Steven.
Go on,
Season
you
We'll
four?
just go down. We'll just go down the line if you can.
Well, in season 3, Holden, starts communicating with.
Oh, by the way, if they didn't warn you, there will be spoilers.
Yes.
Yeah.
From 1 through 3.
Sorry. Yes. In season 3, Holden kind of becomes this pseudo proto prophet. He's talking with Miller, or whatever the construct of Miller is, and it freaks him out pretty badly in the 3rd season. In 4, he's more comfortable. They've been communicating for a long time now, and I think he's kind of found himself and found his feet with this kind of bizarre and singular position that he's in.
Harvey is comfortable with his imaginary friend.
That's right. The imaginary friend is like a good part of his life now.
Harvey, the puka. Dominique.
So Naomi, we left Naomi kind of shook from her whole thing that she was going through with drama in Ashford there, trying to find out where she fits in the solar system and as a belter. And this season, it's a very different challenge for Naomi. It is more, first of all, you find the whole Rosie crew like you've never found them before. We're all very comfortable and like being mates and like settled into our places in the group. And then Naomi's journey this season is actually more of a physical one, because as you saw from the clip, we land on a planet. And I'm a belter. So that presents a whole set of challenges that is actually really difficult for her and she really struggles with. So aside from all the other stuff that's going on, in the world with the solar system, the war and the protomolecule, she's dealing with her own personal battle with her body. So it's quite an interesting arc for Naomi that I haven't really got to go into before. So yeah.
Amos becomes a pacifist.
That's right.
You saw it. You saw the show.
In season 4, a lot of interesting things happen to Amos. One is being under an atmosphere and being underneath the open sky again, and being in a scrappy environment like Illis. It reminds him a lot of what it was like coming up in Baltimore in that kind of environment. So a primitive side, more primitive, starts to kind of reemerge and reawaken.
Wow.
And he also develops a really special relationship in season 4 that kind of awakens some feelings that have been dormant. And this relationship has made him more vulnerable than we've ever seen him, and a little less out of control. So I'm excited about this season. Yeah.
Frank.
Okay. Okay, in the beginning of season 4, you see Bobby having a boring ass time. She's so bored. She's got a 9 to 5. She's back on Mars, sleeping on her brother's couch, drinking a lot of beer, which I have practiced. And then things start to get very interesting for her. So. But yeah, she's just kind of bored. She's doing this really shitty job. But also she's drinking beer.
You're underselling. You're underselling the story.
Okay, no.
I think you are
sorry.
underselling the story.
Everyone does that job. It's so fun. But yeah. So she's alone on Mars with her family, being dishonorably discharged and kind of embarrassed and just begrudgingly going through her day-to-day, having what we would call FOMO.
I would like to rephrase this. Bobby, through Bobby, we see the might and majesty and power of the Mars Congressional Republic.
Oh, but
Bobby's
we
in
all
a
get to see
much
Mars.
different
That's
place.
cool.
Yeah.
We get to be on Mars, like Nick, this season. Y'all get to see it.
I love
There is
this
beer
bit.
as well.
So
There is
good.
beer.
There's beer.
There is a
There's
lot of
totally beer.
Mars is cool. Bobby's sad. Really good description, babe.
Yeah, it's